Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do this beauty glaze swatch. Starting from the first line is 7 in a row, and then I'll come to the next one and direct that order. That's why I'm going to apply this. There are 35 eyeshadows in this palette, so I'm going to show all of them how they look. They look just the same way they look in the palette. They are really nice and very pigmented colors. As you can see, my skin is a bit lighter, that's why I'm showing it on you so that you can see it well. For the price you get this for is very worth it, very good. For the price, I bought mine about $6 if I'm right. That's how I bought it on AliExpress. So that is how it is looking. The first line that I've applied, that's how it's looking, very good. So the next line is what I'm going to start now. I'm going to show it in this order. Every time I'm going to apply it, I'll show you the line that I'm going to apply so that you see how it looks. See, this color is so beautiful, very pigmented. The third one look a little bit like a bit of glitter in it, so nice colors. And then the fifth one is also a bit of like a glitter, very beautiful colors, very pigmented, and I think I like them so much. The very last one on this look like a bit like nude, so this is how they are looking on my hand. Very beautiful colors. I think the first one is a bit like brownish, a darker brown. So I'm going on to the third line. I'm going to start with the black looking, going to the red colors. So this is how the black one looks. This color is so beautiful. Also, that's the next one, kind of like reddish, kind of not so much red. This one looked like a coral to me. That's what it looks like to me. And this is also like orange, kind of like, if I'm right. This look like nude, and the rest of the following colors are very light up to the very last one, which is a white. I think the way I applied it is not that clear, but it's a white, the very last one. So getting it closer so that you can see well. So I'm going to that's the fourth line. I'm going to start from the light pink looking. Oh, this is really beautiful. Yeah, and then this is the deeper kind of like pink. It's also very beautiful. Going to like lilac, kind of like, you can see the colors are real in this one. They are very strong and real looking colors. You can see the blue and the like light blue looking difference between them. This is like green with a glitter tone to it, and then the yellowish also a little bit like a glitter, not sure, but yeah. So that is the colors of the fourth line. They are looking very beautiful too. And I'm going to the very last line. I'm starting with the pink again. This is also very nice color, beautiful. And then this one also look like lilac, like the previous one, but it's not. And then this is very deep. This is a real lilac. It's very deep. And then the blue, oh, these colors are really nice. I think the very last lines are the best among them for me. I like strong colors. This is like a greenish going down to like greenish colors. Very beautiful colors. And I think this is one of the best eyeshadows I've bought so far that are cheap, and you can't see the colors are real and you get what you pay for. This set of eyeshadow looks so much like one of the James Charles eyeshadows, and it's really beautiful. I hope you really like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Leave a comment down below and I'll be back to reply you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.